welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha XJR 1300, a bike that seamlessly blends classic styling with modern technology. If you're a fan of retro aesthetics paired with contemporary performance, this ride might just steal your heart. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 XJR 1300 retains its iconic retro look, featuring a muscular frame and bold lines that harken back to the golden age of motorcycling. The combination of a modern LED headlamp with a round design and classic paint schemes gives it a distinctive presence on the road. The attention to detail in the finishes, like the brushed aluminum accents and retro-inspired seat, enhances its overall appeal, making it a true head-turner. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the XJR 1300 is powered by a robust 300cc inline-4 engine, delivering impressive torque and power. The bike's performance is smooth and responsive, making it suitable for both city rides and long highway journeys. With a revised suspension and updated braking system, the 2025 model promises enhanced handling and stability, ensuring a comfortable ride in various conditions. Technology and features. Yamaha has integrated modern technology into the XJR 1300 without compromising its classic feel. It features a fully digital display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip data. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with advanced safety features like ABS and traction control, adding a layer of confidence for riders in different environments. Riding experience. When you take the XJR 1300 for a spin, you'll immediately notice its balanced weight distribution and comfortable ergonomics. The riding position is relaxed, perfect for both short commutes and extended trips. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on the open road, this bike delivers a satisfying and engaging experience, making every ride memorable. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha XJR 1300 is a remarkable blend of classic charm and modern performance. It appeals to both enthusiasts who appreciate the heritage of motorcycling and new riders looking for a reliable, stylish bike. If you're in the market for a motorcycle that stands out and delivers, the XJR 1300 is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the new XJR 1300 in the comments below. Ride safe and see you next time. Thanks for joining BikeZone.